Bless you. I had to say it to myself. Oh man, that was a good sneeze. Why is everyone looking at me? Y'all good?
Hey, yo, stop that sneezing shit, my boy. We don't like it. COVID-19.
I sneezed one time and y'all automatically assume I have COVID. I can't sneeze now?
Brother, no one knows what you're carrying. You might really be sick, dude. Go get checked out.
No, I want to hear it. I'm out.
It's not that serious, man. Chill out.
One time to automatically assume I have COVID. It's not cool, dude. Come on.
Hey, man. It's rough times.
Yeah,
you just have to be safe.
Come on, bro.